Match the lightsaber with the yellow lines on the screen.
Oh,
block his move.
So what we get is our headset, which is called the Mirage headset.
I was always scared of him as a child. This is not.
This
is not ideal.
Tiny bit.
Oh, here he
That's
comes.
it. Here he comes. He's going to come. Pop the lasers and send them back so the lasers reflect back and kill them. But if they get very close to you, chop them in half.
It's exactly like fighting my 4-year-old.
Just remember, it's just a hologram. It's not real.
Is this going on behind me as well?
It should be in front of you, so you need to move around and make sure that it's all focused in front of you. That's it, you got it.
I thought you were going to tell me to run and I would run straight into the glass.
I would probably give it about an 8 out of 10 on that front. Quite impressive, actually, quite impressive.
Are you still finding him scary?
A bit.
A little bit.
Those eyes.
Oh, I think I killed him.
Have you done it?
I pushed him.
You've won!
Yes! Sweet.
You've just defeated Darth Maul.